For number 1, number analogy tayo. 4 squared is to 16 as 8 squared is to blank. Okay guys, again, number analogy, 4 squared is to 16 as 8 squared is to blank. Comment your answer. 4 squared is to 16. So, paano nangyari yan? Yung 4 squared natin, that is the same as 4 times 4. And that is equal to 16. Ngayon, is 8 squared is 2. Ang 8 squared natin ay 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. That's why the correct answer here is letter C. Tuloy tayo. Next problem natin. Another number analogy. 40% is to 4 over 10 as 80% is to blank. Go. O, tuloy natin to. Sir, paano to? How do you solve this one? So, ganito. Sabi dito, yung 40% daw is to 4 over 10. Ngayon, paano ba nakuha yan? So, since percentage to, gagawin mo lang dito is i-divide mo lang to by 100%. Kasi per 100% yan. Ngayon, we can cancel this one, cancel this one. As you can see, meron tayong 4 over 10. Ito na yan, yung 4 over 10. Nakakuha. Ngayon, sir, paano naman yung isa? Paano naman yung isa? Tandaan na, nakaset yan na 4 over 10 daw. Ngayon, sir, paano naman yung 80%? Ganun din. Same process. Yung 80% mo over 100%. Cancel natin. Itong percentage symbol sa 0. Yan. So, meron tayo ngayong 8 over 10. Ang tanong ko, naka-lowest term na ba yung 8 over 10 natin? Okay, yung question ko earlier, kung naka-lowest term pa ba? Ngayon, in this case, normally, pag fraction, hindi kailangan i-lowest term. We need to lowest term. Okay? Pero in this case, kasi pansinin nyo, yung 4 over 10 is hindi naman ni-lowest term. Diba? So, ganun din magiging ruling natin dito. We will not get the lowest term of 8 over 10. So, 8 over 10 is our final answer. Okay? Okay? So, guys, tuloy tayo. Number 3 na tayo, number analogy. 0.40 is to 0.2 or 0.20 as 1.8 is to blank. Again, 0.40 is to 0.20 as 1.8 is to blank. Let's see. What is the correct answer for this problem? So, sir, paano sagutan ito? So, ganito. Kung mapansin nyo, from 0.40 naging 0.20. Anong ginagawa dito? Divide by 2. 0.40 divided by 2 is this, 0.20. So, ganun din. So, 1.80 natin divided by 2, that is 0.9 or 90. So, the correct answer here is letter A. Ayan ha? Ayan ha? Sino nakakuha ng tamang sagot? Or nahihirapan pa rin? So, number 4 tayo. Mabilis tayo, mabilis. 25 is to 1 over 25. As 8 is to blank. 25 is to 1 over 25. As 8 is to blank. Okay, tingnan natin kung paano sagutan ito ha. Ngayon, ito sobrang dali lang nito. Tingnan nyo mabuti kung oobserbahan nyo. Anong tawag dito? Yung 25 naging 1 over 25, guys. Anong tawag dyan? Ang tawag dyan ay, very good, that is called as reciprocal. Reciprocal. So, what will happen here kung meron kang 8? Sige, ganun lang. I-reciprocal, ilagay mo yung 1 sa ibabaw, tapos ilagay mo ito over 8. Tayo. 8 is to 24 as 40 is to blank. Again, number 5 tayo, mabilisan tayo. 8 is to 24 as 40 is to blank, guys. 8 is 24 as 40 is to blank. Write your answer, guys. Write your answer. So, paano yan? Paano ginagawa yan? Ito, tignan natin yung pattern. Sabi dyan, yung 8 daw naging 24. Ano bang number yung pwede natin i-multiply kay 8 para maging 24, guys? Guess ano number? What number must be multiplied kay 8 para maging 24? Ayan. Very good. Sumasagot number 3. We will multiply this by 3 para maging 24. So, ganun din, yung 40 natin, since yung unang number natin is multiply natin by 3, i-multiply nyo rin to. It will become 120, which is letter B. So, ayan. Sana nakuha nyo yung tamang sagot, ha?